severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marion County, central Morrow County, until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Prospect, or 9 miles south of Marion, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Gilead, Cardington, Ashley, Prospect, Waldo, Edison, Greencamp, Marengo, Fulton, and State Route 229 at U.S. Route 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties.